Alright, ready to show you the base. One other thing on the boxes though, real quick. This is just regular 3/4 pine, 3/4 by 1.5 that I've ripped right in half. So it works really good for all of this smaller stuff. With exception to a couple of these places, like this right here is 2 inches. Okay, so the bottom is treated lumber, and these are 41.5, and there's 4 of those, and I spaced those out evenly. This measurement here is 14 1/16 to that one, so just space those out evenly. And then this measurement here is 45 3/4. And so there's 3 of those, and this one is put directly in the center here. And then I'll take this board out here. This is kind of difficult to see without taking it apart, but see how this board right here goes all the way through on the sides, and short of 3/4 right here. So we put those on both sides of these boards here. This is just 3.5. This, you could use a 2x6, cut it down to 5 inches. This is 5 inches right here. And then same thing right here. This board is 5 inches. So there's a cross going right through the middle. That's 5 and 5. So then at that point, what I did was I put a 3/4 or a 1.5 by 3.5 inside here, going all the way through, and then stapled this board to it. Goes all the way across. This board, that goes all the way across. And then I put the board down here in the bottom, and then I could staple on this board right here. And this, let me give you some measurements here. So this is at 37.5, and there's 2 of those. And this is at 40.25. So you've got 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40.25. And then these notches are down 3 inches, so 3 inches by 2 inches. And I made those at an angle so that the water will run out from in between the boxes. And this is just regular 3.5. And let's see what else you can do. I forgot to cut these on the table saw up front, so you can do these the same way I showed you on the boxes. Just clamp this one and the one on the far, or let's see, this one and this one. No, this one and the far end together, and then this one and this one together, and then drill 3/4 inch spade, 3/4 inch spade, and then rip the rest with the table saw. Let's see, this right here, this right here is 14 3/4. This inside board right here. This board right here, 16 1/4, is at a 3-degree angle on both cuts. 16 1/4. This right here, 20 7/8, and that's at a 3-degree angle. as well. And then I just stapled those in on the side here. And that is it. It's pretty straightforward, just a little bit complicated getting these notches cut out of here. And these ends. And then I'll show you the bottom board that comes out. So this is a 3/4 by 3/4 in there, and then just this regular 1 3/4 by 3/4. So the way this works is it slides right in there, and this closes right up. It gives you 3/8 of an inch because you have 3/4 minus 3/8 plywood, and that's what the bees need to go through into the hive and still protect their hive like they need to. So let's see what dimensions on this. You'll know what that dimension is after you put those boards in, but 16 3/4 by 18 1/4. And those fit right in. On my first one that I did, I actually cut a 6-inch hole right in here and put screen wire mesh over it, this wire screen, but decided that this ventilation right here was enough for the hive and that I shouldn't need any more and where I'm at anyway. So that is the base. 4 hives, and then you can just go up from there, and that's it. I will show you the lid here in a second.